Today, we're diving into the world of foldable smartphones to explore the recently announced Oppo Find N3 Flip and assess whether it poses a significant threat to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Oppo has made quite the entrance into the foldable phone market, and we're here to dissect the key features that set the Find N3 Flip apart. Oppo's entry into the foldable market. Oppo made its debut in the foldable phone arena just last year with the Find N2 Flip. It gained recognition beyond the Chinese market and is now returning with the Find N3 Flip, boasting a fresh design and a host of new features. Camera setup. One of the standout features of the Find N3 Flip is its camera setup. It boasts a Hasselblad-tuned primary camera system, including a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, a 48MP ultrawide sensor, and a 32MP telephoto sensor. Notably, these three sensors are identical to those found on the OnePlus 11 and are arranged in a unique circular array. Innovative form factor. The Find N3 Flip introduces a Flex Form mode when the phone is folded. This mode displays the image preview above while placing the controls below, making it even possible to take selfies by simply raising your hand. Display size. While the Find N3 Flip keeps its 3.26-inch vertical cover display, Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5 now boasts a slightly larger 3.4-inch cover display. However, it's essential to note that the Motorola Razr Plus surpasses them both with a 3.6-inch display, indicating that Oppo no longer leads in the cover display size category. Interactive features. The outer screen of the Find N3 Flip allows interaction with mini apps like WhatsApp, Google Maps, Spotify, and Google Calendar. Expect more mini app support in the future. Additionally, interactive pets on the cover screen have been upgraded to 3D from 2D, and there are additional wallpapers and widgets for use when the device is folded. Display and durability. The device boasts a 6.8-inch foldable AMOLED screen with a variable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. Oppo's zero-gap hinge design ensures minimal display crease when the phone is folded. The Find N3 Flip has undergone rigorous testing for 400,000 folds and offers water resistance with an IPX4 rating. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the Oppo Find N3 Flip runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 processor, an octa-core flagship chip comparable to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It packs a 4300 mAh battery with support for 44W wired charging, and it remains one of the Flip foldables with the largest battery capacity. You can achieve a 50% charge in approximately 23 minutes. While the phone includes a charger in the box, wireless charging is not supported. Unique features. The fingerprint scanner is located on the power button, and Oppo's unique alert slider is positioned on the other side, allowing easy switching between silent, ringing, and vibrating modes. Global launch. Currently, Oppo has exclusively launched the Find N3 Flip in China, offering two variants, a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version priced at approximately $930, and a 12GB RAM and 512GB storage model at around $1,050. However, Oppo has assured a global launch for the Find N3 Flip is on the horizon. Conclusion. In conclusion, with its unique features, powerful hardware, and a global launch in sight, it's evident that Oppo is aiming high in the foldable smartphone game. As the competition in this market intensifies, the Find N3 Flip could indeed pose a formidable challenge to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights.